So this is Container Park. And like I said, here you've got the praying mantis. At night, they turn it on and you can see smoke, fire kind of coming out of his antenna. It's really cool. But this is Container Park. We're gonna run through it real quick. Not some place that I would probably ever come back to, maybe. It's more like a little retail outlet. French fries, wings, there's places to eat. That's what I remember coming down to Container Park and eating. Some people get married here. Mob pie. Raiders are everywhere. We're everywhere. That place is it's like for the kids to play, a little playground. Cotton candy, chocolate bar. Come see what's popping at the gourmet popcorn stand. I'm just gonna do the bottom end. There are more stores, more kids, places for kids to come and kind of hang out. It wasn't open just like 15 minutes ago, so they've opened it since, but Rose is beautiful. Downtown kitchen and bar. And then they have it's so loud here, I don't even know if I can get a segue here. This is like a live band area. So let's go down this end and that'll be it for Container Park. See, it's not very big, but it's interesting for people who've never been here before. Stop trying to make everybody happy. You're not tequila. Good saying. You got Sassy, Cowgirl, the retro cowgirl, Boba Tea. The vibey little shop. And then a bar, more shops upstairs, places to sit. Yeah, it's kind of cool. But this is the whole thing. Goes all the way down, back down there. You can see the other shops that are there. Steak Burger.